Hi, I'm Niels Bantilan, and I'm in the machine learning team at Union.ai. We think that creating machine learning applications should be easy and frictionless, but today it really isn't. The cost and complexity of deciding what tools to use, how to combine them, and how to maintain them in production requires a whole team of people who often speak different languages and follow different practices. One of the core abstractions that many people use to tame this complexity is the data pipeline or execution graph, which is extremely flexible and powerful, but we wondered whether there's an even easier way to build and deploy ML models. We took inspiration from web protocols and asked ourselves whether it's possible to define a standard set of methods or verbs for machine learning that can be reused across many different contexts, like training, experimentation, and prediction, so that data science and machine learning practitioners don't have to worry about how these pieces fit together. I'm proud to share UnionML, a project that's our take on answering this question. UnionML is an open source MLOps framework for building web-native machine learning applications. It's an abstraction built on top of Flyte, an open source orchestrator, and it aims to unify the rapidly evolving ecosystem of ML and data tools into a single interface for building and deploying ML microservices. The core idea behind UnionML is that a machine learning application is composed of a dataset and a model, and each of these expose functional entry points to some core piece of the ML puzzle, such as where do I get my training data, how do I train my model, how do I evaluate it, and how do I generate predictions from it. The user simply has to define these functions, and UnionML takes care of bundling them into microservices that can be deployed to a variety of targets, including web and serverless endpoints. What's more is that since UnionML is built on top of Flyte, you can seamlessly scale your training and batch prediction workloads by allocating the appropriate resources as you need them. This not only helps data scientists reduce their cognitive load for iterating on models and deploying them to production, it also relieves MLOps engineers of the overhead of provisioning resources for data science stakeholders. We're super early in this journey, but if you're a data scientist or machine learning engineer who wants to avoid the boilerplate of productionizing your code, you can pip install UnionML and run UnionML init myapp to see just how easy it is to make ML apps. We'd also love your feedback, so if you have any thoughts or questions, join us on Slack using the link below. See you there.